November. PDYN.
Up.
TRAW, Troy's
IOTR.
Pharma files
IOTR.
Tavaxavir Marboxil investigational IND for influenza therapy. That's TRAW.
SPRC.
WATT, Energus out with preliminary results.
Atten.
For influenza report annual revenue of $5.6 million versus $800,000 in 2024. That's WATT. Whiskey Alpha Tango Tango.
SPRC.
SMLR
TNMG, TNL Mediagene announcing conclusion of Gizmot's debut project, surpassing 300 million yen in GMV. That's TNMG. ARMP, Armada Pharmaceuticals, plans to advance product candidate APS-AO into phase 3 clinical study and complicated S. aureus bacteremia. That's ARMP, Alpha Romeo Michael Papa.
Up.
SMLR watch the spread.
TRAW, Troy's Pharma popping here on that news. On their IND application.
EVTV.
EHOB.
EVTV. SPRC. 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 Up. Atten. 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 SPRC. Atten. Atten. SPRC. 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 IOTR. IOTR.
SOTK, Sonatech.
CLRB.
Reporting Q3 revenue of $5
SPRC.
million.
IOTR.
Company reiterating their full year guidance and the Oscar Tango Kilo.
SPRC. SPRC. SPRC.
CNTX.
Can't even trade
SPRC.
that one, so I'm not even going to listen to that stock.
MNMD, Mind Medicine, said Definium Therapeutics common shares to trade under new NASDAQ ticker symbol DFTX effective on Thursday, January 15th.
NYSE.
That's, MNMD and DFTX.
SPRC.
Now Definium Therapeutics. SGHT Site Sciences announcing preliminary results. 2025
SPRC.
revenue expected to be between
SPRC.
77.3 and $77.4 million. That's Sandy Golf Hotel Tango,
SPRC.
SGHT. TMCI, Trees announcing preliminary results. Tango Michael Charlie
SPRC.
India.
SPRC follow-through developing.
AHMA Big
Trees
Spread.
Medical Concepts sees
SPRC.
Q4 revenue of $62.1 to $62.5 million. Tango Michael Charlie India.
EVTV.
KYMR, Chimera Therapeutics, intends to advance at least one new development candidate towards IND for a first-in-class oral immunology program in
PMAX.
2026. Company is well capitalized with $1.6 billion in cash and runway into 2029.
SPRC.
That's KYMR, Kilo Yankee
SPRC.
Michael Romeo.
SPRC. IOTR.
BHC, Bausch Health, to reaffirm 2025 earnings at the higher end of guidance. That
IOTR.
filing from the company, Bravo Hotel Charlie.
IOTR. IOTR. IOTR.
Shares of Bausch Health now at $7.53 at 4 cents. BHC.
IOTR. IOTR. NYSC. SPRC. Atten. SPRC. SPRC. NYSC. WWR. PMAX. Atten. SPRC. IOTR. Atten. WWR. DAAQ halted because of news. EVTV. Up. EVTV. IOTR. IOTR. Atten. SPRC. IOTR. SPRC.
AH, Watt big spread.
SPRC.
Watt big spread.
SPRC.
Watt. Watt.
OSS.
Watt.
SPRC. Atten. IOTR. SPRC. SPRC. Atten. EVTV. Up.
AHMA big spread.
Up.
WLDS.
IOTR. IOTR. Atten. Up. SGBX. SPRC. 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 SPRC starting to open up. SPRC.
AHMA.
Hmm. Still can't trade this.
PDYN.
Restricting
SPRC.
online trading for this stock.
Atom.
So
PDYN. AHMA.
HL.
Benzinga market update. S&P
SPRC.
futures down 6. The Dow futures down 41. Nasdaq down 44. Crude is up
RZLV.
$1.09, $60.59. Natural gas is up 6 cents at
RZLV.
$3.47.
PDYN
Gold
raises guidance.
is
PDYN.
down $23 at $45.91.80. Silver is up 68 cents at
PDYN.
$85.78.
PDYN.
Bitcoin futures up 515 at 92,175.
PDYN.
PDYN.
this one's a little
Coming
too
up
risky
at
PDYN.
8:15, the ADP
coming through,
non-farm
so I don't
employment
wanna
jump
into
AHMA.
ADP
this.
employment change weekly.
PDYN.
PDYN.
That's at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. At
IOTR.
8:30, the consumer price index
PDYN.
for December.
PDYN. IOTR.
At 8:55,
PDYN.
Red
And
Book at 10
honestly,
a.m.
I don't think they would
New
let
home
me
sales for
PDYN.
October.
Oh, they would.
The Cleveland
PDYN.
CPI at
Of
11.
course they would.
PDYN.
Fed's barking
PDYN.
at 4 p.m. and the
PDYN.
API weekly crude and gasoline stocks at 4:30 p.m. Eastern time.
AHMA.
PDYN on
SPRC.
that guidance from the company spiking here $7.06. Papa Delta Yankee November.
SPRC.
PDYN. Paladine raising their guidance and shares
IOTR.
popping here on that.
Up.
AHMA.
SPRC. 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 SPRC.
AHMA.
IOTR. Up. Assistant. Assistant.
Which one are we going to hover over?
Atom.
ATON. Not showing any momentum, but and yesterday we didn't even get a stock till like I think 7. 6.
VSTD.
This is the one that popped off yesterday. 5:30. It's 4:20
DCAB.
now.
AHMA.
IOTR.
AHMA.
This one went up
IOTR.
32%, $2.
ARMP,
IOTR,
AHMA. AHMA watch the spread.
IOTR,
AHMA.
IOTR, IOTR, IOTR,
AHMA watch the spread.
IOTR, IOTR momentum improving.
AHMA watch the spread. ARMP big spread. AHMA big spread.
SPRC,
VSTD.
SPRC, IOTR, IOTR,
ARMP big spread. ARMP big spread. ARMP. AHMA big spread. AHMA.
up,
Let me see if this will actually even let me trade. Rejected. Please contact broker. Oh my god, they're not letting us trade nothing.
SPRC,
Actually, I don't even want to hover
EVTV,
over ATON because this is a previous
NYSC,
SPRC. They won't let me trade that one. IOTR.
PDYN,
That one's done.
PDYN raises guidance. PDYN, PDYN, LHX, LHX negative, market moving news January 13th, shares are trading.
AHMA.
Watch the spread,
AHMA.
COS,
If they let me trade
AHMA.
this one.
NYSC,
VSTD.
ARMP, big spread, ARMP, big spread, ARMP,
I will be working at McDonald's.
SPRC,
OSS. AHMA.
SPRC.
Missed.
EBTV.
VSTD.
EBTV. AHMA. SPRC. SPRC.
Because there's so many chargebacks, and they have to do a contract because they don't want to pay
AHMA shares hit a high of $7.10, now pulling back $6.27. Alpha Hotel Michael Alpha.
SPRC. Atten.
ENLV.
IOTR.
NAM.
They messing
HGVL.
up my money.
AHMA.
These are perfect trades right here. Like I can just get in, out. It's because of retail.
ENLV.
Beginner retail traders,
Missed.
man. Complain too much, and then the broker has to step in because people are losing money.
Missed.
Bruh, if y'all don't know what y'all doing, don't trade at all. Anything. Crypto, options,
PMAX.
Forex,
Up.
anything. Because y'all are just going to complain. Y'all are crybabies about money.
PMAX. Atten.
OSS.
Oh my gosh.
Atten.
Check the news. Markets.
OSS.
OSS.
OSS. OSS.
Please let
OKYL.
me be able to.
OSS.
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 Okay, let's just trade this.
OSS
Okay, hello.
popping here. One stop.
OSS.
Oscar Sandy. Shares hitting
OSS.
$12.27 at the high.
AHMA. SPRC.
It's not enough volume though.
SPRC. AHMA. AHMA. SLS.
Gold and silver hit record high. Donald Trump issues new Supreme Court warning. His tariff decision looms. Celebrity anti-ice pins at Golden Globe spark mixed reactions.
SPRC.
Thank you.
AHMA. EBTV.
XAIR.
PMAX.
CNXC, Concentrix earnings.
China issues
Out.
new Greenland warning to Trump
XAIR.
administration.
XAIR. XAIR. XAIR.
Adjusted earnings of $2.95. The consensus
X-Air.
was $2.91. That's a beat. Revenue of $2.55 billion is a beat for Charlie November X-ray Charlie. XAIR, XTL Biopharma acquires 85% of Beyond Air's subsidiary, NeuroNOS. That's X-Ray Alpha India Romeo, XAIR.
CLSK.
Shares popping here on that news.
XAIR. XAIR.
ZENA, Xenotech, signs offer to acquire a power washing company with multiple locations across 2 states. Zulu Echo
XAIR.
November Alpha.
XAIR getting attention. XAIR. XAIR. XAIR.
XAIR.
XAIR. XAIR. XAIR.
SLNH, Saluna.
XAIR.
With an
XAIR.
update.
XAIR warming up.
PDYN.
Actually, I should be able to
XTLB.
trade this one. Yeah, this one's fine.
Watt big spread.
NPCE, Neuropace, sees Q4 revenue of $26 million, full year revenue of 98 to 100 million.
TIVC.
That's November Papa Charlie Echo.
XAIR. XAIR.
XAIR.
XAIR. SPRC.
XTLB.
SPRC. SPRC. XAIR. AHMA. AHMA. AHMA.
SLXN.
AHMA. AHMA activity increasing. EVTV. IOTR.
XTLB. XTLB.
IOTR.
XTLB.
PDYN.
PDYN. XTLB.
XAIR. SPRC. PDYN. AHMA.
XTLB. XTLB.
SPRC. PDYN. SPRC. XTLB. AHMA.
XTLB, XTLB,
XTLB. XAIR Beyond Air shares are trading higher after. XTLB.
XTLB,
XAIR.
AHMA,
XTLB.
XTLB,
XTLB volume waking up.
BCAR,
HGBL. AHMA. 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 AHMA on watch. EVTV. AHMA.
Easy.
AHMA,
AHMA.
AHMA,
AHMA worth monitoring. AHMA. AHMA. AHMA.
AHMA,
AHMA.
PPCB,
AHMA starting to wake up.
AHMA,
AHMA.
AHMA, Watt,
AHMA. AHMA tightening again.
Kara, Kara big spread, BCTX,
AHMA.
AHMA,
AHMA developing setup.
BCTX,
AHMA.
BCTX,
BCTX. This is getting interesting.
Kara,
BCTX showing some strength.
BCTX,
AHMA.
BCTX big spread,
BCTX resistance getting tested. AHMA. AHMA in play. AHMA. 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 AHMA need to see follow through. AHMA. AHMA. AHMA activity picking up.
CING big spread,
EVTV.
BCTX big spread,
AHMA.
BCTX big spread,
BCTX trying.
BCTX big spread,
XTLB.
BCTX,
BCTX needs a little more juice.
BCTX,
BTBT. BCTX range is narrowing.
BCTX, BCTX,
XAIR. SMR. IREN.
BCTX, BCTX,
BCTX tightening again.
BCTX,
BCTX seeing more activity.
BCTX,
BCTX.
BCTX watch the spread,
BCTX volume building slowly.
BCTX,
Big spread.
Oh my
BCTX,
gosh.
BCTX.
BCTX watch the spread,
They don't even let me trade
Big spread.
it. Oh,
BCTX. Watch
you
the
guys are
spread.
blowing me.
BCTX. XAIR. AHMA.
What was this low candle right here? Its low was $7. Why the fuck are they doing that now?
AHMA. AHMA. BCTX. BCTX. Big spread.
That's the most annoying shit ever.
AHMA. AHMA.
AHMA.
AHMA. This is worth watching. AHMA. AHMA. AHMA volume waking up. AHMA.
And
AHMA.
I feel like it's
AHMA
either a
range is
money
narrow.
grab or it's that PDT rule that's about to go into effect. Which knowing Charles Schwab is probably a fucking money grab. They just want people to pay $25
CIGL.
XAIR.
for a broker to place the trade. Oh my gosh, bruh. Missed out on so much money because they wanna be
XAIR.
fucking greedy.
XAIR.
BCTX.
BCTX. Big spread.
AHMA.
Or maybe there's
BCTX.
3 options. It's 1,
BCTX big spread.
retail traders are complaining because they are losing money
BCTX.
because they don't know what they're doing.
BCTX resistance
and the
getting
broker had to
tested.
step in. Or 2, it's the PDT rule that's going to go to effect. So they really don't want people
AHMA.
trading volatile stocks like this because, like I said again, retail traders lose money and then they complain. Or
XAIR.
3,
FFAI.
it's just a money grab for the brokers to place trades for $25 a trade.
Atten.
There's one of those 3 options as to why they are restricting volatile stocks now.
XAIR.
Hold on, I'm gonna see if I might check something. BCTX.
BCAR.
ABTC.
Ow.
SPRC.
That happened within
XAIR.
4 minutes.
FBIO.
ENLV.
Fortress Biotech
FBIO.
and Cyprium Therapeutics, ticker FBIO, announces FDA approval of Zycubo.
Bro, how long does it even
BCTX.
take to fucking call the broker in the first place?
BCTX.
Fortress
XAIR.
Biotech, ticker FBIO, shares getting a pop on that FDA approval news. Stock up 6.9% pre-market.
XAIR.
Probably takes you 5 minutes to even reach a freaking broker.
FBIO. FBIO. XAIR. XAIR. Atten. XAIR. AHMA. Atten. FBIO. Atten. FBIO. Atten. Atten.
That shit just ruined my
Atten.
day. And then they give us bullshit stocks like this to be able to trade off of. Like,
IOTR.
shit's only going up 20
Atten.
cents
Atten.
compared to this going up. Let's see. 153%, $11 within 4 minutes.
Atten.
Bro, that shit blows.
IOTR. 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 FBIO.
FBIO.
AHMA. 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 AHMA showing strength.
AHMA.
AHMA. AHMA building.
Can't trade that one.
AHMA.
What? I've traded
AHMA trying.
BCTX before, though. I
AHMA.
know I have. Why did they
AHMA.
restrict it now?
AHMA keep it on radar.
Yeah, look.
AHMA. AHMA tightening again. AHMA. AHMA activity picking up. AHMA. AHMA.
Shut the fuck up.
AHMA.
I can't even trade
AHMA
this.
volume waking up.
Let's see. No, can't even trade it. Yeah, I traded BCTX before. You can see my trend line right here.
FBIO. FBIO. SPRC. FBIO.
This little McDonald's series is gonna be tougher than I thought if they're doing this type of shit. Like this right here. If I
AHMA.
would have been able to jump into this, that would have been a good profit for the
FBIO.
McDonald's series. But since they want to be some
AHMA.
hoes,
FBIO.
it's definitely going to be
FBIO.
super harder.
AHMA.
Since they're trying to cancel
AHMA.
out pretty much momentum strategy.
EBTV. BCTX. FBIO positive. Fortress Biotech announces that FDA has approved. FBIO. XAIR.
BCTX, Briacell Therapeutics pulled back from the
BCTX.
highs, find that
XAIR.
spiked to $19.68. Bravo Charlie Tango X-ray.
BCTX.
Company announced completion of
BCTX.
its resolution of lung
BCTX showing some life.
metastases in patient with metastatic breast cancer treated.
And it's on positive news. Traded this before, it's on positive news. Yeah, it's volatile, but like, gives a fuck. That's pretty much my strategy. And they're canceling it out.
With Bria OTS,
SPRC.
that's Bravo Charlie Tango X-ray, now at $9.30,
AHMA.
well off the earlier highs.
And I definitely don't want to trade from Webull because that's a broker that's not even owned
BCTX.
by a U.S. company.
SPRC. BCTX.
But Charles Schwab is so greedy. Goodness.
Atten. Atten. IOTR.
INTS, Intensity Therapeutics,
Atten.
said
XAIR.
plans to file protocol amendment for Invincible 4 study
IOTR.
and reinitiate enrollment in Q1 to raise additional capital
IOTR.
during 2026.
FBIO.
That's
IOTR.
INTS, India November Tango Sandy.
FBIO.
I don't see anything at like 5:30. I'm just going to call it because
IOTR.
that should have been BCTX should have been the one.
IOTR. BCTX. AHMA. BCTX. Big spread. AHMA. BCTX. BCTX. AHMA. EBTV. LFWD halted because of news. AHMA. AHMA.
LFWD, LifeWord halted for news. Lima Foxtrot Whiskey Delta, LFWD.
BCTX. BCTX. BCTX building momentum. BCTX. 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 XTLB. BCTX. 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 BCTX improving price action. BCTX. XTLB. BCTX. 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 BCTX range expansion. BCTX. BCTX waiting for confirmation. BCTX. BCTX. BCTX building. AHMA.
Big, bruh. I don't know why you calling
BCTX. AHMA. 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 AHMA starting to open up. BCTX. Big spread. ABAT. SPRC. MVO. SPRC. AHMA.
I'm so
SPRC.
annoyed. Man.
AHMA.
Yeah,
AHMA.
fuck this shit. I don't see anything at 5. I'm done.
Atten.
That's just insane to me.
AHMA. SPRC. XAIR. AHMA. BCTX. Big spread. AHMA. BCTX. Big spread. BCTX. Big spread.
ORMP,
BCTX.
Oramed and Lifewood announced strategic
BCTX momentum
transaction.
improving.
Transaction will transfer Oramed's oral drug delivery platform to Lifewood. That's LFWD and
BCTX.
ORMP.
FBIO.
Shares of
IOTR.
Lifewood were halted ahead of that
RCAT.
news.
CLDI.
Alright, so we got 5 a.m.
BARC.
See if we get our 5 a.m.
OSS.
breakout.
SGBX.
VSTD. OSS. AMZ.
XAIR.
PCRX, Pacira announcing
OPTT.
agreement with LG Chem to make Exparel available in select Asian Pacific
AHMA.
markets. That
AKAN.
is
XAIR.
WRN. LMFA.
Papa Charlie Romeo X-ray.
Assistant.
EDBL.
Please let me trade this shit.
AHMA,
Oh my
PW,
God. Okay, thank you. Now
BCTX,
let's see if we can
OPFI.
get a continuation.
AHMA.
NCEL,
RCAT,
CLNE,
GDTC Settlement
RCAT.
Therapeutics, New York
CMBM,
update seeks shareholders'
AHMA.
feedback on proposal to improve
BDRX.
shareholder
CAPT,
value.
CLPT,
That's Golf
AMOD,
Delta Tango Charlie.
ATN,
ABVE,
XAIR,
DNA, SGN,
SGBX,
EWTX Edgewise
SCNI,
Therapeutics provides corporate
ABSI.
update. Echo Whiskey Tango X-ray. UPXI Upexi pricing its $36 million private placement of convertible notes priced above the
SOGP
market.
watch the spread.
Uniform Papa X-ray
SDGR.
India.
SLDP,
UAVS Eagle
Admiral.
NXT supplies drones to
VRAX.
NATO forces in Europe. That's Uniform Alpha Victor Sandy. Shares getting a small pop here, $1.62 up 4 cents on UAVS.
UAVS,
SMWB, Spanis collaborates with
Adra.
SimilarWeb to give AI agents
SGBX.
digital marketing insights. Sandy Michael Whiskey Bravo.
ATN,
SGBX,
ARES, NG, and Ares partnership further expands with addition of 730 megawatt portfolio of new U.S. solar and wind assets. Alpha Romeo Echo Sandy.
RCAT, RCAT,
SGBX, Safe and
YCBD.
Green, announcing manufacturing
SPRC.
commencement on modular enclosure contract awarded to subsidiary Giant Containers. That's Sandy Golf Bravo X-ray, SGBX.
YCBD,
SAVA, Cassava Sciences, announcing publication of peer-reviewed phase 3
GDTC
results for
big spread.
Simufilam and Alzheimer's
Atom.
disease. That's Sandy Alpha Victor Alpha. SAVA, ICHR, iCore Holdings projects Q1 revenue of at least
FBIO.
$240 million. That's India Charlie Hotel Romeo.
ATN,
CCIX, SEC clears Churchill Capital 9 and plus AI merger for shareholder vote.
ATN,
Bruh, I don't want to trade this bullshit.
ATN, ATN, ATN getting
That's
attention.
Charlie India X-ray.
ATN,
Shit's below VWAP.
IOTR,
And oh my gosh. Can't believe.
BCTX,
CRM Salesforce announcing general availability of Slackbot.
ATN,
EVTV,
UAVS, PMAX,
UMAC big spread,
XAIR,
QNCX big spread,
We're not about to get anything better than what we just saw.
UAVS, UAVS,
Let's just
UMAC
see how
watch
long
the
it
spread.
takes to even call the broker to place a trade.
ATN,
IOTR,
UAVS,
UAVS, UAVS,
UAVS.
JP Morgan CFO
UAVS.
comments said consumers and small
UAVS.
businesses remain resilient.
UAVS,
Not seeing deterioration
Memo.
in consumer credit. Debit and sales volumes continue to perform well. That's
PDYN.
Juliet Papa Michael.
AHMA,
Atom,
BCTX, XTLB, BCTX,
DGNX,
BCTX, BCTX, BCTX warming up. BCTX,
PMAX,
BCTX. BCTX needs a stronger push. BCTX,
UAVS, Ag Eagle shares
IOTR.
moving a little more now on that drone deal. Coming up at 8:15, the ADP weekly employment change. That's coming up in about less than 10 minutes now. At 8:30, the consumer price index for
UAVS.
December, month over month, expecting plus 0.3%, core CPI plus
UAVS.
0.3%, year over
UAVS,
year plus 2.7% on the CPI and core CPI. Expected
GDTC,
BCTX, BCTX,
UAVS,
BCTX, BCTX on watch.
UAVS,
BCTX, BCTX,
GDTC,
AHMA, BCTX, 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 BCTX worth monitoring.
GDTC,
BCTX starting to wake up. BCTX,
PDYN,
BCTX, BCTX base building. BCTX,
BCTX,
BCTX building.
UAVS,
BCTX,
PDYN,
BCTX,
OKYO,
BCTX waiting for confirmation.
PDYN,
BCTX, BCTX,
GDTC,
Atten. BCTX,
UAVS,
Oh my god, that shit is
DPRO.
pointless. If you're
ATN,
placing a trade,
BCTX,
there's gotta be like a
BCTX.
one-line
BCTX in play.
trade.
BCTX, BCTX, BCTX tightening again. BCTX, BCTX this is getting interesting. BCTX, BCTX,
Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, I was doing the robot version.
BCTX,
Let's try doing
BCTX let it come to you.
an actual
BCTX, BCTX,
SURG,
XAIR, XAIR, BCTX,
IOTR,
Atten. XAIR,
PMAX,
UAVS,
BCTX,
UAVS,
AERT.
UAVS. XAIR. IOTR. XAIR. IOTR. PSLV. AHMA. AHMA. XAIR.
IOTR. PMAX.
PMAX.
COMM big spread.
SPRC.
BCAR.
AHMA. AHMA. ATN.
FJET. FJET. BCTX.
AHMA.
AMOD.
AHMA. AHMA. AHMA price stabilizing. AHMA. AHMA. AHMA trend developing. AHMA.
PDYN. PDYN.
PDYN. AHMA volume waking up. AHMA. AHMA. XAIR. UAVS. BCTX.
PDYN.
BCTX. BCTX. BCTX basing. SPRC. SPRC.
BCAR.
XAIR.
Bruh. Oh my gosh.
EVTV.
I
UAVS.
just talked to Charles
UAVS.
Schwab
UAVS.
because I was trying to get, and he seen my order come in. Because I was trying to get in this area right here. I don't know what that's at, like $10.
BCTX.
So I was trying to get in here and ride the wave up to 19.
Coming up,
but you
the
get that
ADP
message
non-farm employment
that-
change.
Let me mute this. You get that message saying you need to place this trade with a broker because it's too volatile. And some brokers are starting to crack down on volatile stocks like this because retail traders kind of don't know what they're doing and they're losing money from jumping in areas like this, because usually it'll pop up on their broker scanner, which is like the worst scanner to use. And by that time it pops up on the broker scanner, it's already too late. So which is why I use my scanner, because it immediately told me in this area right here to jump in. But broker's scanner told them I'm thinking of like a beginner's retail perspective right now. Probably jump in this area, they lose money, and then they start complaining, and then the broker has to step in. So now they're starting to crack down on volatile stocks. And I was talking to him, and he was like, yeah, you just need to place a trade with the broker, and they probably gonna say their little policy like, oh, this is high risk, blah blah, and place the trade. He said it doesn't take that long after you get through all the verification and stuff like that, but I would have to immediately be like, boom boom, bye bye, please stop saying your policy. If they take up that too much time doing that. But yep, it's looking like people will have to call in, which is going to deter retail traders from even placing a trade. They're probably going to be like, whatever, why would I do that? So I mean, the strategy isn't fully dead, but it is going to deter retail traders away from this type of trading if they keep consistently bringing up that message. You need to call a broker. Because this is a move that, let's see, let me zoom in. So 31, 32.
BCTX. XAIR.
I'm just going to have to be quicker
BCTX.
with my trades.
BCTX.
So since this happened at 4:30, I'm just going to have to immediately
BCTX.
have them on the phone.
BCTX showing strength.
And get through all the verification BS.
BCTX. SPRC.
BCAR. DCOY.
I should just incorporate this calling on the phone strategy to my course. Just immediately be like, yo, bro, I got like 2 minutes till breakout times. You gonna have to stay on this phone for 2 minutes. I could do it that way. That would actually work. See?
SPRC.
We learn to adapt. Just call them like 1 minute early. Get through all the verification, all the whatever policy he's gonna read.
AHMA.
Be like, as soon as we listen to the scanner, be like, okay, buy 1,000 shares of this company. Boom.
AHMA.
We're able to
AHMA
sell
starting
it,
to move.
so that's good.
AHMA.
Able to sell the stock.
AHMA. 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 AHMA gaining traction.
Hold on, let me see. When did I even place that trade?
AHMA.
PDYN,
AHMA.
Paladine
AHMA.
AI, hitting new highs now as the company announced it's raising its full-year
AHMA.
revenue guidance earlier.
AHMA picking up. XAIR. HGBL. AHMA.
Okay, so now I know
SGML
what
Big
to do.
Spread. AHMA.
AHMA. AHMA.
HMA, we can't trade that.
AHMA building momentum.
So we're gonna wait till 5:30 if we don't see anything,
AHMA.
because we haven't taken any trades yet. So if we don't see anything at 5:30, then I'm gonna shut it down, and we're gonna apply our new strategy tomorrow.
SGML Big Spread.
So we'll apply that new strategy tomorrow, and we'll just take our pretty much take our L for today. No trades.
AHMA.
Now that I know what I need to do, I'm gonna do my recaps and
DCOY.
DCOY, Delta Charlie Oscar Yankee. Share is hitting 98 cents at the high on that press release.
Hose.
AHMA. AHMA.
RZLV.
AHMA. AHMA improving price action.
Luigi Mangione wins
XTLB.
evidentiary
AHMA. AHMA.
Bro, how do you say this? Wins evidentiary
AHMA.
hearing on
AHMA
backpack
volume
search
waking
after
up.
judge face about
AHMA.
decision. Does that mean
AHMA.
that he
AHMA.
is going to get away
AHMA tightening again.
with this? Because that's how they found the evidence, is through their backpack. Backpack was lawfully hold evidentiary
AHMA.
hearing to determine if
DCOY.
Mangiane's backpack was
AHMA follow
lawfully
through
seized
developing.
and searched
Coming up
inside.
at
DCOY.
8:30, the
AHMA.
Consumer Price Index,
AHMA
month over
volume
month for
building slowly.
December, plus 0.3%
AHMA.
expected. Core
AHMA another attempt
CPI,
here.
plus 0.3%.
AHMA.
And year over
AHMA.
year, both the
AHMA
core
worth a
and
quick
the
watch.
CPI,
AHMA.
plus
AHMA.
2.7%
Can't trade it.
expected.
And it's such an unpredictable time too.
BCTX.
Yeah, it says contact us. So this breakout happened at such an
UABS.
unpredictable time. It's not really something I would have been sitting.
BCTX.
Definitely have
BCTX.
some good stock. Who is
RCAT.
trading this though? If they have
RCAT.
broker restrictions,
BCTX momentum improving. BCTX. 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 BCTX, let it come to you. XTLB.
like damn, bro, they rejecting like literally
XAIR.
everything. I feel like sooner or later they're gonna be like, nah, bro, you can't trade this shit at all.
AHMA.
RCAT.
AHMA. AHMA. AHMA getting attention. EBTV. XTLB. BCTX. RZLV. BCTX. BCTX. IOTR. IOTR. Atten. IOTR. LFWD halted because of extraordinary events. Atten.
CPI data. Let's see.
UABS. IOTR.
CURX.
XTLB.
6, 7, 8, 5 minutes.
IOTR.
CPI data report comes out.
SRXH. WIMI.
AHMA. 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 AHMA warming up.
SGML.
AHMA range is narrowing. AHMA.
I
SGML.
believe I have to come up with a whole new strategy.
SGML.
What time did this break out?
XAIR.
It really had this breakout during a
SGML.
random time. Tomorrow, having a
SGML.
broker on the phone
BCTX.
do 1 minute before those breakout times
AHMA.
4:30, blah blah blah. And I'm gonna be like, boom, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 shares. Place it.
AG. XTLB.
GT.
BCTX. Atten.
DCOY, Decoy Therapeutics, at the highs $1.15.
XAIR.
Delta Charlie Oscar
BCTX.
Yankee.
BCTX. BCTX. BCTX seeing more activity. BCTX. BCTX starting to wake up. AHMA. AHMA. AHMA on watch. AHMA. AHMA starting to wake up. AHMA.
Maybe that is a good thing. If you call in the broker, I don't like trading with retail traders at all because they just fuck up the whole thing. They do shit like this. Like they
Coming up, the
XAIR.
Consumer
Like a whale
Price
coming in.
Index,
this is
plus
definitely not no retail
0.3%
trader
month
move.
over month, plus 2.7% year
This
over
is
year
retail
expected
traders right here.
on both the CPI and
RCAT.
core CPI.
Fuck up everything. But now that we have to call in for certain stocks that are volatile, we can just ride the wave.
BCTX.
Up. I don't have to call to
BCTX.
sell. So
PDYN. XTLB. PDYN.
LFWD.
LFWD
now we're at-
trading halted. LFWD.
2.7% in line
CRDO
on
big
the
spread.
CPI year over year.
SATL.
2.6%
BLNE.
on the core CPI
RCAT.
versus 2.7%.
SATL.
S&P futures getting a pop here.
SATL.
BFRI. RCAT.
RR.
Memo big spread.
and now we're at the 530
OKLL.
breakout.
AHMA.
The CPI
TRMD.
And CPI data's out.
XAIR.
plus 0.3% month over month in
SYPR.
line.
DJT.
Core
XAIR.
CPI plus 0.2% versus plus 0.3%.
SATL.
Again, the S&P futures are popping on that better than
SYPR.
expected data.
XAIR.
BFRI. BFRI.
70.29 now.
BFRI.
BFR is a penny stock. If you wanna trade that
13.75
one.
on
UABS,
the
Below a
S&P
dollar.
futures
LAES.
following the
Mamo,
consumer price index
AHMA.
data.
MSTR. Watch the spread.
NNE, Nanonuclear Energy, signs
Atom.
MOU with DS Dansuk
LAES.
to advance micromodular reactor deployment in South Korea. That is November
TSSI.
Echo.
RZLV. XTLB. RZLV.
SYPR.
LAES, CLSQ
THH.
out with preliminary
the spread.
results.
AHMA.
DPRO.
THH. Watch the spread.
NUKK Nucleus
U.
complete strategic acquisition of Star 26 Capital. That's November Uniform Kilo Kilo.
THH.
ID
THH
XX,
waiting for
IDEX naming a
confirmation.
new CEO.
Watch the spread.
India Delta X-ray X-ray.
THH. THH building. Watch the spread. THH.
Immunity
THH maybe.
Bio.
Watch the spread. THH.
IBRX announcing results
Watch the spread.
demonstrating
THH.
Activa as a
THH showing some
lymphocyte
life.
stimulating
Okay,
agent
see,
in
watch the
combination with
spread.
checkpoint inhibitors and
XTNT.
non-small cell lung cancer.
Everything
THH.
that's
That
volatile.
is
THH activity picking up.
It just
India
triggers.
Bravo Romeo
DPRO.
X-ray,
It's like a
Watch the
IBRX.
spread.
Shares
ONDS.
popping on that.
SATL. BFRI.
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 $2.67 now.
BFRI.
Up 8 cents on IBRX.
BFRI.
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 PTHL, Phaeton Holdings, will change its corporate name
BFRI.
to Iconic Holdings, new symbol ITOC, India Tango Oscar Charlie.
Okay, so since I didn't see anything, I don't have any trades right now.
BTQ.
So since I didn't see anything,
BTQ.
I'm not gonna force any trades.
BMNR.
Just gonna do what I said I was gonna do tomorrow,
LFWD.
since they are making you call in for volatile stocks now. So we'll just do that. But
CJMB.
UABS.
LAES.
PSLV.
yeah, we're probably not gonna get anything.
KOPN.
'Cause AHMA
SPRC.
and BCTX popped off,
SYPR.
XTLB.
and those are gonna be like the
Wait.
highest stocks of the day. So people are not gonna be really trading anything after that. So I'm done. Be sure to like the stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
SYPR.
Atten. EBTV. Atten. UABS.